Morning, Brody. Take you in the fab shop here. Let's take a look at these front ends. All our front ends come in laser cut and CNC bent, jigsaw puzzle style. Everything's notched and figured out exactly where it goes. Here's an in-process front end. And this is for Brody's garage. Everything is tabbed and notched. Notice on the bottom side, tabs for the shock plates come in. So in a nutshell, we take all those parts, we buff them. What we mean by buffing is all the scale gets taken off, cleaned up so that we can TIG weld. All these assemblies get TIG welded. So here's an assembly of upper shock plate mount. This is the aprons that go on it. This is what it'll look like when it's all together. Some down bars. Here's some frame rails have already been TIG welded. So all these assemblies get TIG welded, put together like this. Once they've all been TIG welded, then they go to the jig table. We have 2 jig tables. You get mounted up just like your front end would be. Assembled, put together, TIG welded. We have our down bars. Unique thing about our down bars, yes, they are DSE down bars. We connect the middle of the down bar to the shock plate. In some cases, I've had customers remove this, put a big supercharger in there, turbo in there, and reroute this in a manner in which they can reconnect, but at least it is still connected in 3 points when it's all done.